Are you constantly trying to hide your dark spots in selfies? Do you feel uncomfortable stepping out without makeup because your face looks patchy and uneven? If you're also tired of these stubborn marks, then today's video might be a complete skin-changing solution for you. And no, it's not an expensive treatment. It's a 100% natural remedy that shows results within just a few days. Let's first understand what actually causes dark spots on the face. One of the most common reasons is sun exposure. The harmful UV rays increase melanin production, leaving behind dark patches. Another major cause is hormonal imbalance, especially during pregnancy or high stress. Post-acne marks, left over from pimples, are also a big reason. And many people unknowingly damage their skin more by using harsh chemical creams, making the spots even worse. Now let's talk about the most important part, precautions you must take. First, always wear a broad-spectrum sunscreen of SPF 30 or more, even indoors. Second, never sleep with makeup on, it clogs your pores and worsens pigmentation. Third, do a patch test before trying any new product or remedy. And finally, be patient. Natural remedies take time but give deep, long-lasting results without side effects. Now here's the natural treatment that's been trusted for years. And you'll only need to apply it once a day. You'll need just 3 simple ingredients: 1 tablespoon turmeric, a natural anti-pigmentation herb, half a teaspoon of fresh lemon juice, rich in vitamin C, 1 tablespoon of plain yogurt, to soothe and moisturize your skin. Mix these together to form a smooth paste. Apply it directly only on the dark spots, not all over your face. Leave it on for 15 minutes, then rinse gently with cool water. After that, you can apply a thin layer of aloe vera gel to calm the skin. Use this remedy every evening to let your skin heal overnight. Don't expect a miracle on day 1, but after just 5 days, you'll start noticing a visible difference. And with 2 weeks of regular use, your skin will look clearer, more even-toned, and naturally glowing. This remedy doesn't just fade dark spots, it also improves your skin's overall texture. If you found this remedy helpful, don't forget to like the video and share your skin concerns in the comments. And for more such natural and effective skincare tips, subscribe to GlowNHeal. In the next video, we'll be talking about how to shrink open pores naturally, so stay tuned.